remote teaching is more and more important and also very effective way of overcoming the problems of COVID epidemic. MSD prepared specific software to enable remote teaching using the simulator. So now I'm activating the camera, which is located in the laptop provided with the simulator, and you can see now the image on the screen, which can be adjusted. It can be small, bigger on the full screen, and it also changes position depending on what we want to show on the screen, so it does not obscure the view, and you can simultaneously provide the teaching about how to rotate the probe, what to do with the knobs, how to manipulate the plane and so on, and you can show it on the screen. And at the same time you can see the full options of the simulator, including the color, including the markers and so on. So it's very useful when you want to do the remote teaching for the students.